This video is for the 8384 calculators, and this is again an application problem which you will have the option of just using your calculator for. So I'm going to work this one out purely on my calculator and do no algebra, since I already worked out this problem using algebra. So from 1990 through 1996, the consumption of poultry per capita is modeled by the following quadratic, where x equals 0 is the year 1990. During what year was the consumption at its maximum? Alright, so I've got a quadratic with a negative a value, so I know that it's opening down. I want to find the year at which the consumption was at its maximum, aka vertex, right? So let's just say this point, my x coordinate is going to be the year, my y coordinate is going to be the maximum consumption. So I'm going to go to my y equals, and I'm going to type in this equation, negative 0.2125 x squared plus 2.615x plus 56.33. I'm going to do a standard window, so I'm going to start by going zoom 6 for standard. And I see, well, a tiny blip in my corner, but pretty much nothing. So again, I know it's got to look like this. I know if I go to my window now, I don't know a lot about turkey or poultry consumption, I'll be honest. So, okay, I know my X max is years since 1990. Well, maybe I need to adjust that a bit. I know my Y max is poultry consumption, and obviously 10 is not large enough because I wasn't seeing anything. So I'm going to change that to, I don't know, 80. And maybe make my X max a little bit bigger, like 20. And again, I'm really just guessing on these, which sometimes you have to do if the problem doesn't make a whole lot of sense to you. Then I'm just going to graph it and see if my adjusting helped, and it did. Now, a lot of times you have to adjust your window more than once, so don't get too frustrated. You could also zoom in and out on it if you prefer. So I want to find my maximum, so I go to calculate, so second trace, choose maximum, and find my maximum. There I am. So left bound, go to the left of my maximum and press enter. Right bound means go to the right of my maximum and press enter. And press enter on guess. And I get the point 6.15 and 64.37. Now answer the question, during what year was the consumption at its maximum? Well, X is the year. X equals 0 is the year 1990, so 6 would be during the year 1996. And if it asked for the maximum consumption for poultry, it would be 64.37, whatever the units are per capita. And that was not too bad on your calculator.